Now, if you have a large area or larger patches, for example, like this here, where there just wasn't enough fines getting into the actual rock material, and now that it's drying, it's starting to really expose a lot of the aggregate. What you can do, which I've already done, but I'll hit it one more time, is just take the hose on the shower setting and just get it wet. And you're gonna just let it sit there for a little while and let that base, which is pretty compacted, but you're gonna let that just sit, and it will soak in, but get that wet again. That way then you can come back and you can sprinkle on the fine material. It'll fill in and all this, and then the moisture that's in the actual existing base will soak up into the freshly shaken on or screeded fines, and it'll get wet, and then you can just go over it with the trowel. This is a great thing to do during the summertime when it's extremely hot and dry out, and your base area will dry up rather quickly, and it'll obviously, then we can address all of these areas and any place where we have any of the lines or the marks. And up here it's a little bit hard to see, but we fixed that whole upper tier area and any of the other indicated spots.